What's up, guys? Tyler Alternator.
And this is my bike check for Fit Bike Co.
Yeah. Running the Fit Mac bars on a Fit high top stem. White wall Fit TAs, 2.3, both front and back. Fit Brandon Began Sig, the scumbag frame. The Fit bar stool. Fit 24mm indents. I'm running it with the key guard sprocket. Four Fit OGs with the wizard sleeves. I'm running the S&M pitchforks. I got the stock Fit front wheel, came off of Benny L Sig. The Revenge wheels are pretty cool. Demolition free coaster. Only running it because I got it for free, so you know, that's how I roll. Animal pedals, classics, and then some Odyssey grips. Pretty nice grips. I want to get some hoters though. I'd like to thank Tina from Menifee Bicycles, Chris and Dylan from S&M. Me and my buddy Anthony started the Janky crew. Fit hooked up with all these sick ass parts. Go check them out. Thanks for checking out my bike check.